Let's talk about the automotive industry's job prospect in Saudi Arabia. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Someone has asked in one of my videos comment that give an update on automotive industry's job prospect in Saudi Arabia. So in today's video, we are going to talk about that. So if I have to summarize the automotive industry in Saudi Arabia, the one word that I will use is growth. Why I'm using this word? Because Saudi Arabia has put automotive industry in their Vision 2030. And they have made a target by 2030 they will be manufacturing at least 300,000 cars in Saudi Arabia. So how is this development going to happen? There are two players who are going to be on the forefront of this development. These two players are Lucid Motors and Ceer Motors. Let's talk about each one of them. So it started in May 22 when the foundation stone of Lucid Motors manufacturing plant in Saudi Arabia was laid. And in September 23, they commenced the first car manufacturing plant in Saudi Arabia. In Jan 25, they also get the Made in Saudi permission from the Saudi government, so they can use the Made in Saudi logo in their cars. So the Saudi government has made a commitment of buying 50,000 cars from Lucid Motors in the span of 10 years, and the manufacturing plant that was commenced in 2023 is going to be fully functional by 2028, and at that time it will have the capacity of manufacturing 150,000 cars in a year. Now the next name is Ceer Motors. Now what is Ceer Motors? Ceer Motors is Saudi's own electric vehicle company. Its construction started in 2024 and by 2025 they are also planning to commence their plant and start production of their cars. So this was a little something about the automotive industry in Saudi Arabia and the job prospect of automotive industry in Saudi Arabia. If you are someone who comes with an experience of electric vehicle, I think you have a good prospect. Go and check out the profile of people working in these two companies and try to connect with them and look for the opportunity that they have. I think this is not going to be just limited to these two companies. A lot of more companies will also start their production here. So the automotive industry is going to thrive in Saudi Arabia. So please look for opportunities if you can find in Saudi Arabia. So this was a little something about the automotive industry in Saudi Arabia. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.